If you love tasty food but also care about your health, then this salmon sandwich is your new best friend. Salmon sandwiches are not just tasty, but they are packed with amazing health benefits. First, they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support your heart and brain health. Plus, salmon is a great source of vitamin D, essential for strong bones and a robust immune system. Finally, it's an excellent protein source, perfect for fueling your workouts. So how do you make this super sandwich? Start by cooking a salmon fillet with a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Toast some whole grain or rye bread and spread on your favorite cream cheese or mustard. Layer on the cooked salmon, avocado slices, tomato and fresh arugula. Top it off with a squeeze of lemon juice and the other slice of bread. Serve it up with pickles, sweet potato fries or a fresh green salad. Voila, a delicious and nutritious salmon sandwich. Enjoy.